All right, we're about to do Diet Coke and Mentos.
It's gonna be awesome.
Okay, move. All right, open it. Get them all.
I'm not gonna be able to get all these.
Here, well, let me do it.
It takes like 4 or 5. Oh man, I want some. Here we go.
Too bad.
Everybody, get back. Seriously, get back. I don't want any Coke on you. Hurry.
Ooh. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Oh.
Joshua, what the heck?
Dude, Jeremiah. Dude, that was good.
Yeah.
That was good.
Now. No, dude, we just. Let me have some of that.
Woo!
That was.
All thanks to him and me. We walked all the way to HEB and we did this.
Oh. Dude, that was cool. Hey, look, I got super damn. Ah!
You got the cap as proof.
All right.
Don't have